Hi friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to Jobs World channel. So I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So let's start the current affairs of 4th May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. CCI, that is Competition Commission of India, has approved the acquisition of less than 5% shareholding in which of the following companies by Canary Investment Limited and Link Investment Trust 2. So it is Intas Pharmaceuticals Limited. CCI, that is Competition Commission of India, was started on 14th October 2003. Its headquarters present in New Delhi and chairman is Ashok Gupta. Question number 2. What is the name of NASA's first Mars helicopter that is given by a 17-year-old Indian origin girl, Vanessa Rupani? So the name is Ingenuity. So NASA full form is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Its headquarters present in Washington DC and it was started on 29 July 1958. And recently NASA has celebrated the Hubble telescope anniversary, that is on 24th April, and it is the 30th anniversary of Hubble telescope. And one ventilator also designed by NASA. The name of the ventilator is Vital. Vital full form is Ventilator Intervention Technology Accessible Locally. Question number 3. Which team is at the top spot in the ICC test ranking released in May 2020? So it is not India, it is Australia, and New Zealand is rank 2 and India is rank 3. Some related to ICC. ICC full form is International Cricket Council. Its headquarters present in Dubai, UAE. Its chairman is Sasank Manohar and CEO is Manu Shahone. Question number 4. Ronald Vivian Smith passed away recently. He was related to which of the following fields? So he was a writer. Question number 5. Who is the author of the book Shivaji in the South Block, The Unwritten History of a Proud People? So the author is Girish Kuber and it is released by the Maharashtra government. Some related to Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Uddhav Thackeray is its CM and governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. And recently a free health treatment, that is Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Jan Arogya Yojana, is started in Maharashtra. And ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, has approved a loan of $346 million to develop the rural infrastructure in power sector. Question number 6. Which state has launched an Argo Entrepreneur Facilitation Desk to help the entrepreneurs of the state to get subsidies and initiatives from the central government funding agencies? So this is done by Tripura government. And recently Tripura government launched neighborhood classes, that is 1 teachers for 5 students until the school resume. Some related to Tripura. Tripura capital is Agartala. Biplab Kumar Dev is its CM. M. Ramesh Vyas is its governor. Question number 7. The center has brought the Kaveri Water Management Authority under which of the following ministries? So it is under Ministry of Jal Shakti. So the center constituted the Kaveri Water Management Authority, that is CWMA, to address the dispute of oversharing the river of water among Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Puducherry. So who is the Minister of Jal Shakti? His name is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Question number 8. To whom the Task Force on National Infrastructure Pipeline, that is NIP, submitted its final report on the MIP for financial year 2019-25. So it is submitted to Nirmala Sitharaman, our Ministry of Finance. So what is the worth of this project? It is rupees 111 lakhs crore. Question number 9. Which state has topped the list of the states in providing employment over 18 lakhs unskilled laborers under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? So it is by Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Bhupesh Baghel is its CM and governor is Anusuya Uike. Question number 10. As per a data report released by Mercom India Research, what is the rank of India in terms of solar market in the world 2019? So the rank of India is third. In 2019, India has installed 7.3 gigawatt of solar power. Question number 11. As per the document, the Geographical Indication Registry has approved the GI tagging on Kashmir saffron with the GI number. The GI number is 635. Ramesh Babu B has been appointed as the Director of Operation of which of the following companies? So it is NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. Its headquarters present in New Delhi, and Gurdeep Singh is its chairman and MD. Question number 13. The 2021 Commonwealth Youth Games is postponed to which year? So it is postponed to 2023. Before that, it was going to held in 2021. It is 2021 in Trinidad and Tobago. It is the location. So now it is postponed to 23 because, as you know, the Tokyo Olympics is shifted to 2021, and as the Tokyo Olympics shifted to 2021, so the World Athletics, which is going to held in 2021, it is going to held in 2022 in USA. Question number 14. When was the International Astronomy Day celebrated in the spring? So in a single year, International Astronomy Day is celebrated twice, once in the autumn, another in the spring. So it is celebrated on 2nd May, and next it will be celebrated on 26 September, twice in a year. Question of 15. Which of the following has acquired 49% stake in Mahindra Finance, wholly owned by subsidiary Mahindra Asset Management Company? So it is by Manulife. Question number 16. The US will provide an additional of how much $1 million to India through its aid agency, that is USAID, that is United States Agency for International Development, for mitigating the spread of COVID-19. So it is $3 million. Question number 17. According to the Open Budget Survey, what is the rank of India among 117 nations in terms of budget transparency and accountability? So India rank is 53rd. Who topped the list? New Zealand has secured the top position. Question number 18. Which bank has appointed Neeraj Dhawan as its Chief Risk Officer with immediate effect in May 2020? So it is by Yes Bank. Yes Bank headquarters is Mumbai. Prashant Kumar is its MD and CEO. Question number 19. When was the World Press Freedom Day in 2020? So it is on 3rd May. And this year the theme is Journalism Without Fear or Favor. Last question of the day. When was the World After Day in 2020? So it is on 3rd May. Actually, each year it is celebrated on the first Sunday of that year. So for 2020 it is 3rd May. So this is the current affairs of 4th May 2020. So the answer of yesterday's question is United Nations Day is on 24th of October. So this is the question of today. Merdeka Cup is related to which sports? So write down the answer in the comment box, and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and like and share the video. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and be happy.